This has been the majority of my day. My pipes froze to my freaking shower, and I literally freaking can't get it to thaw out. I've tried every which way. It actually warmed up to 15 degrees today, so it's not below zero and fucking wind whipping like last night. Because it was definitely in like negative 40s or whatever. But that's what I've been doing most of the day, is trying to thaw out my fucking pipes, and my shitter's still frozen, so yeah, winning. It'll be 50 degrees in 2 days. I have hot water. I have fucking hot water. I have hot water. I win. I have hot water. Yes! That took all fucking day, but I'm fucking happy.